a long day and this lemonade hit the spot. Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. I'm sorry, my mouth is watering from the lemonade. This weekend, or today, I'm super excited about today's video because I am taking part in the Small Creators Challenge. It's hosted by Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetics. She has two co-hosts. One, her name is Shiddish, and she is from the DIY Savvy Mommy. And her other co-host is Tammy from the Rusted Willow. If you haven't checked out their channels, they are linked in the description below, along with the playlist for this Small Creators Challenge. Oh goodness, that lemonade, it's so good. I want some more. Anyway, so this month, Broke Girl Aesthetic has challenged us small creators. Those are us channels who have less than 1,000 subscribers. And the theme for this challenge is Summer Lovin'. So in this challenge, I have used some pom-poms, some straws and stripes, and some cardboard. So let's head over to my craft room. Let's go see what I made for this Summer Lovin' challenge. Bring your drink. Let's go to my craft room. Vámonos. It's ready. Let's go. Come on. For my first DIY, I used a paper plate, or you could use some poster board. A decorative plate. I got these plates at the party section at the Dollar Tree. Some 4th of July scatter. Some straws and stripes. You're also going to need some yarn or some jute twine. I started by cutting out the inside circle of the paper plate and then measured a 3-inch triangle on the left-hand side of the circle. Next, I cut out the blue and white straws to fit into that triangle shape. And then I measured out the red and white straws and glued them into place onto the paper plate. So the blue straws with the white stars went into the triangle, and then I fit the red and white striped straws into the bottom portion of the plate. Then next I cut the straws into smaller pieces to fit the top portion of the plate next to the blue straws with the white stars. You see what I'm doing here? It's pretty simple. Once I had all my straws in place, I flipped the plate over and cut the excess straws, leaving the circular shape. Next, I glued my flag into the center of the decorative plate. Then I glued the yarn around the flag, covering the white portion of the plate. Next, I took my scatter and glued one red, white, and blue star at the bottom of the plate. Next, I took my elephant chalk paint and dabbed it around with the napkin onto the shiny part of the plate. And then I took my black ink paint and dabbed it around the plate. And then I added the Waverly wax paint to kind of give it a little bit of a rusty, worn look. Once I was finished with the paint on the plate, I used the excess paint from the napkin and rubbed it onto the flag to tone down the white and give it a little bit more of a weathered look. You can display your plate on a stand, you can add magnets, or you can hang it. For DIY number 2, I used a piece of scrap cardboard, some felt squares, some letter stickers, some craft sticks, a hula skirt, some mini pom-poms, and some cotton twine. I started by cutting the cardboard and felt squares into dome shapes. Next, I glued the felt pieces onto the cardboard. Next, I cut thin strips from each of the felt pieces and glued them around the cardboard edges. Next, I took the craft sticks and glued them into the cardboard. Can you see where this is going? Or did you already know? And for some fun and whimsy, I added pom-poms around the outside edges of the popsicles. Whoops, they're a little tricky. Yummy, refreshing, cool. Next, I added the letter stickers and spelled out summer. Whoop, gotta make a quick change here. And now for the hula skirt, because nothing says summer more than hula and popsicles. I used this hula skirt to make 2 really quick tassels. So if you haven't guessed by now, I am making a summer banner. I cut a 60-inch piece of the cotton twine, and now I am making some little hanging loops on the back of each of these popsicles. I strung the popsicles onto the cotton twine, glued them in place, and added some popsicle sticks for a secure hold. I tied a loop knot at each end for hanging. Now this banner literally says summer. Don't these popsicles look yummy? I'd like to thank our host for giving us the opportunity to share our crafts in this Small Creators Summer Lovin' Challenge. Don't forget to watch the rest of the channels in the playlist along with our host channels. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We also have the reveal for the Oh Glory flag plate. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? I hope that you have a safe 4th of July. Enjoy the lazy days of summer. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!